This panel is all about collective action for a healthier childhood and builds off the work that NYSUT has been doing over the last several years, and we have an amazing panel of experts here.
My name is Josh Golin. I am the Executive Director of Fairplay. We are a national advocacy organization that works to protect children when they're online.
I'm Gaia Bernstein. I'm a law professor in New York City.
Wade Norwood. I am the CEO of Common Ground Health. I am a former city council member.
Hi, everybody. I'm Mike Bulger. I'm a Rochester native, so welcome to our fair city. I work at Common Ground Health, where I am the director of whole child health advocacy.
Just on entertainment, 7.5 hours a day. If you think about how much time that is crowding out so many activities that are important to kids, like sleep and reading and exercise and interacting with their peers. If you're spending all that time, there's not much time left for anything else.
The algorithms are created to make sure we stay online for as long as possible. Sadly, social media companies found out that we stay on for longer when we get angry and we feel hate. So they give us this information. Even more sadly, they found out that our kids are going to stay online for longer when they feel bad about themselves.
We adults have adulterated childhood. And the aim of the Regents is to say, how do we really get to focusing on the purpose of the educational experience is also learning to be in community. Fair play, reciprocity, how to enforce rules when there's no authority out.
Sometimes what we need is a clear signal. And so what we've done here in Rochester through the Healthy Kids Coalition is work to embed play and mandatory recess in our wellness policy so that it is the rule. And we've also, very importantly, set a policy that play cannot be taken away as a form of punishment.
Parents need help. I know some parents object to this rule because of concern of safety, but this law will really provide the basis for collective action, because it's impossible to tell your kid you're not getting a phone until you are 13, 14. You're not going on social media until you're 16, when all the kids have it. It's very different when the school sends a message. We do not think it's good for kids to be on phones.
We need to start becoming sharper about understanding how play as instruction leads to creativity and experimentation.
These kids are starved for great places to play in their neighborhoods, and then they go to school, and if their school's under a lot of pressure to improve test scores, and play starts going out the window, the kids can't follow it, right? They're not gonna go out the window and play in that neighborhood. They need that school to be a safe space for them.
I think that's one of the benefits of all the things we're talking about, is that these aren't political issues. These are bipartisan issues, and as you mentioned with COSA, we can build a coalition of everybody who cares about kids.